This one little hair. It's like, ugh. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you another advent calendar, and it is the one from Elf, and it's the Elf-tastic 12-day advent calendar. I am super curious as to see what 12 products are in here, so if you're ready, then I'm ready, so let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below and my playlist that you could check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. If you're curious as to how I got this how I made this makeup look, check out my last video, which is my makeup therapy using the Lime Crime Greatest Hits Bangers palette. I also did a palette review in that video as well. So yeah, in case you guys are wondering how I did this grungy cranberry look. All right, so we are moving on into another advent calendar. This one is from Elf. We have 12 products this time. They do have another one that is 24 products, but I wanted to go for the 12 because I'm tired of doing 24. That sounds bad. But I wanted to do this one. I really do like Elf. I really think Elf has stepped up their game over the past couple years, and some of my ride or die products come from there. So I'm excited to see what is in here. This is the third advent calendar that I am unboxing. I do have one more on the way, so be on the lookout for that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. I do have to say, I really do like the packaging on this. It is a holographic box, and it's the poke out package similar to the NYX one, but it's not as bulky as the NYX one is. But I think if you get the 24 one, it's going to be as bulky as that, because I do believe these are full-size products if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. We shall see. So let's go ahead with number one, which is this one right here. All right. We have the Elf Wow Brow. I guess it's a gel. Yeah, the Elf Wow Brow Gel in neutral brown. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I'll have to decide. One, I'm not a neutral brown. I am more of a taupe girl. So this may go into the giveaway box. Next up, we are going to do number two, and it is this one right here. We have a lipstick mini. It looks like this is a mini. A Seriously Satin lipstick. And this is in the shade Taffy Caramel Mo. I guess it's Moo. This is what it looks like. I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway box because I have so many lipsticks. I will probably never touch this. So this is going to go into the giveaway box. Now we are going on to number three, which is this one right here. All right, we have a mini Hello Hydration face cream. That is nice. I do believe, I have skin on my finger coming off. I do believe this is what took the place of the water droplet balm. And you guys know I was devastated when Elf discontinued this. So I'm going to give this a try and see how it is. Rolling right along, we are going to go to number four, which is this one right here. I like how it's all sporadic. It's not like in like order by numbers. I like how it's sporadic. So it's this one right here. So neat. We have a bite-size eyeshadow, and these are the shades Cream and Sugar. It's a little neutrals palette. That's cute. I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway because I have so many palettes that have these shades in them. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway. Next up is number five, which is this one down here. Oh, neat. We have a blending brush. I am definitely going to keep this. You can never have enough blending brushes, especially when you are too lazy to wash your brushes on a regular basis like me. So I'm going to keep this. Time for number 6, which is this one right here. All right, we have a liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade, I can't see it, Cranberry. Yeah. Okay, the shade is actually Cranberry Punch. I'm not going to keep this. I don't like this formula of glitter liquid eyeshadow. It tends to crease real bad on my eyelids because I have wrinkles on my eyelids. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway. And there's a lot going into this giveaway. Now we're going to go to number 7, which is this one right here. For number 7, we have the Elf Poreless Putty Primer. I absolutely love this primer. I am almost out of it, so I'm glad I got it in there because now I can use this as a backup. I'm definitely keeping this one. Moving on to number 8, which is right here. Cool, we have a Makeup Mist and Setting Spray. That's nice. I like the bottle. It's very sleek. I really do like that. That's cool. I think I'm gonna keep this. All right. I've got like tabs all over the place. All right, number 9 is this one right here. All right, we have a full-size Ride or Die lip balm in the shade Boss Berry. I'm going to put this in the giveaway because I have so many lip balms that it's not even funny. And I want to get all those used up. So yeah, I'm going to put this in the giveaway. Number 10 is this one right here. Okay, it is a lip lacquer in the shade Bubbles. Yeah, in the shade Bubbles. It's just a clear lacquer. It's probably a gloss. Yeah, it looks like a gloss with some little silver glitter specks in it. I think I'm going to pass this along to my niece because she really likes lip glosses like this, so she can have this. Number 11 is this one right here. Oh, and it is a beauty sponge. I am very upset that this isn't like individually wrapped because I can't put this in a giveaway now because my fingers have been on it. But I think I'm just going to give this to my niece as well because she loves beauty sponges. I'm just kind of bummed that it's not, you know, in an individual wrapper so I could put it in the giveaway for you guys. But my niece will love it. And last but certainly not least, we have number 12. So we have an eyelash curler that is not individually wrapped, so I can't put it in the giveaway. But I will probably give this to my niece as well because she told me she needs a eyelash curler, so I'll give this to her, considering I just got my Mac Daddy Tarte one not too long ago. I love it. All right, I am going to straighten all this up, and I will be right back to let you know my final thoughts on this advent calendar and pricing and purchasing information. Alrighty, if you are interested in picking up this advent calendar, the price is $45. You can get it on Elf site and at Ulta. You can get the 24-day advent calendar on Elf's site only, and that is $75. But keep in mind, you're getting full-size products in that one. This one had full-size products besides the makeup mist and the Hello Hydration face cream. So that's not bad at all. That's a really great value. I added everything together and minus the face cream because they don't sell a mini face cream. They just sell the full size, which is $12. Everything came up to $48. So you got like a $3 difference there. But with this product right here, it is worth it to me. I think out of the 3 that I have done so far, this one has been my favorite, even though I'm not keeping all of the products. I think this one has a better collection of items, and you're getting more bang for your buck for this one. I definitely didn't like the Ulta one, and the NYX one was okay, but I am really impressed with this one. Elf did a really good job with picking out products for this advent calendar. I will place Elf's link down below in the description box if you want to purchase either the 12 or the 24-day advent calendar. It is an affiliate link, so should you purchase anything off Elf site with that link, I do earn a small commission off of it. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face in this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the makeup I used for this makeup look will be down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. Woo. Done for the day. Really wish I was going somewhere because I really do like this makeup look. I'm kind of bummed they didn't individually wrap these. Oh well.